What's up, guys? We back with another one, all the way from Arizona. I think just east of Phoenix. Nissan Titan in for a panoramic install. Customer brought his own panoramic, a Jeep Cherokee panoramic, which is the good ones because they're nice and they're big and wide. Let's check it out. There's a panoramic. You can see the size, and it's the same one I have on my truck. Big, good size. Took the headliner off the truck. Here's the headliner for the Jeep. Drain hoses. He brought everything. Got Nate cutting down the bracket. Here's the truck. Strip the headliner out. We are going to cut these off. Not all the way though, because I like to leave some support just wherever we need it for the bracket. Alright guys, another one, panoramic. This is actually my first Titan to be doing a panoramic on, and to be doing a Jeep Cherokee panoramic. It's going to look real good. It's going to take up the whole space up here on top. It's going to look cherry. Alright guys, just a little update of what she's looking like. Have the little tent because it's hot as a mother. Alright guys, we got the roof cut out. Let's check it out, see what it's looking like. Damn, big ass one. Big hole. Alright, we're gonna install this bracket here and then tack weld it. Alright, we got the bracket tack welded in. You can see the bracket right there, the white one. Alright. We're going to start on the bodywork. Bodywork's done. Let's check it out. All the way around. It's smooth. Alright, time to put the panoramic in. Alright guys, panoramic is in. She looks good. We're going to put the headliner in, trim it, and then we'll go ahead and wrap it with some new black fabric. We're gonna go ahead and do the black. We are not gonna do these. Customer just wants from here up. So we'll do the visors black and the handles, and we'll leave those gray. Alright guys, install's done. I actually wrapped it up same day. This install came out badass. It looks OEM to me. Straight out of the dealership. This is a Jeep Cherokee panoramic. Customer did bring it down from Arizona. He brought his own roof. Let's check out the top. Customer brought his own roof. Did the body work on top. Jeep Cherokee. It's a big ass sunroof. Same one I got on my truck over there. We did do a black suede on the interior. Came out perfect. Actually looks way better than the black. Like I said, this install, I'm gonna say, has been the best install that I've probably ever done. This is the third Jeep Cherokee panoramic that I've done, besides the one on my channel, the 2500 Silverado, the one on my truck, the lifted Sierra, and then this Titan, Nissan Titan from Arizona. So let's check it out guys. This thing came out badass. Check it out guys. Did the visors black, console. If you look at this console, it is off the Jeep Cherokee. What I ended up doing is crafting it onto the headliner. Let's see if I can get a better shot right there. I crafted on there so it looks OEM. Lights work. These ones work. All 4 lights. Like I said, this install came out badass. Matches the sunshade. Sunshade's a little dirty. I need to clean that. But check it out, guys. Came out badass. Looks OEM to me. Someone stick their head in here. Look at that. Badass. And this is actually a good idea to craft this on here. Makes it look even better instead of doing the switch deal that I did on the 2500 Silverado. That's on my channel. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. I just crafted it onto the headliner, but this looks even 100% better. Way better. Alright guys, let's check it out. Sunshade. Like I said, it always stops there, just in case you always want to open this up. Just hit it one more time. Badass. Look at that. I still gotta clean the glass, wipe it down before the customer comes and gets it. I actually finished it usually a day and a half, but got it done in one day. Here's the vent. There's the vent. And open up. Check that out. Badass. Let me know what you think, guys. Comment down below. If you go through all my videos on the panoramics, you think this is the best one? This one came out badass. I think the center console crafted, and that's a Jeep Cherokee console, crafted onto this truck, made it look just OEM. Let's go to the other side. Check it out. Let's go inside. Back person view. Damn. Like I said, the glass is a little dirty. I'm gonna wipe it down. Check it out. I don't know. I mean, to me, that looks OEM. There she is, guys. That's gonna be a wrap. Another panoramic done. Alright guys, next day, Sunday morning, customer's gonna be picking it up, which is nice because yesterday was pretty dark, kind of dark to get some footage of it. But nice and sunny, get some nice footage of it. Alright guys, another satisfied customer. This guy really loved it. Came out real badass. Like I said, this is probably been the best one yet. Clean. Back to Arizona. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the Titan. This thing came out badass. Just from the look of the customer's face, he loved it. Hopefully I get some more business down from Phoenix. I think he's from Avandale, if I'm saying that right. So stay tuned, we got a lot more coming. Next one on the list, like I said, we're just bringing them down one by one, one by one, one by one on the list. Like if you're still waiting, like I said, be patient. I got a lot of people waiting, and actually I got a lot of people more getting on the waiting list. So stay tuned, you'll be next. Your car be up on YouTube, get some video of it. All right guys, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.